Sorry. Say hi, my beautiful YouTube friends.
Hi, the friends.
Hi, my beautiful YouTube friends. I'm back here looking crazy because I'm doing somewhat of a different video. I am going to show you how I did my son's hair. I cannot do hair. I cannot braid. I am a part of the small percentage of black folk that can't braid hair. But I decided I need to learn. It all started when I did his hair braid for pictures and I could get nobody to do it, so I had to learn how to do it myself. So now, since I actually did that one, and I inserted pictures, my lock screen.
Get that, mommy.
Look at that. Okay. If he left, I'll make this quick. But since I was able to do it for the pictures, I decided I'm going to teach myself how to braid. So now I try to do his hair at least once a week. Don't do that. You're going to mess up your hair. Don't. You're going to mess up your hair. You're already messing it up. Okay, I'm going to show you how I did it. Not too much on my braiding skills. Again, I can't braid. I will take all critiques as long as they're positive. No negativity. I'm learning. I know my grip is trash and I don't braid tight, but from where I started to where I am now, I've gotten a lot better. So I have hopes. So yeah, I will show you guys how I did his hair. Thanks to you guys for watching. Hope you guys subscribe and come back for more.
Collaboration featuring the iconic blue I said you went really fast.
Yeah, but I go really, really fast.
You want me to say really, really fast?
Actually, say really, really, really fast.
Look, I'm recording.
I think you need to
Say hi, camera.
fast I am.
Hi,
I said
Gemma.
you went really
Hey, let's learn the sounds of the letter. This is the phonic song. God is reading all day long. This is the phonic song. Phonic song. What sound does that letter make? What sound does that letter make? Make it sound, sound it out, yeah, you heard. Put the sounds together, now we're reading words. What sound does that letter make?
C is the
Oh, you
speed
put it.
scale of really, really, really
Thank you, bud.
Awesome, the more speeds.
You heard. Put the sounds together, now we're reading words. What sound does that letter make? Does that letter make sound? Does that letter make? Does that letter make sound? Does that letter make? Does that letter make sound? Does that letter make? What
Yes,
sound?
and
Eat chili dogs.
Ah!
Sorry.
Make it sound, sound it out, yeah, you heard. Put the sounds together, now we're reading words. Yeah, what sound does that letter make? What sound does that letter make? Make it sound, sound it out, yeah, you heard. Put the sounds together, now we're reading words. Yeah, what sound does that letter make? What sound does that letter make? What sound does that letter make? Make it sound, sound it out, yeah, you heard. Put the sounds together, now we're reading words. Yeah, what sound does that letter make? What sound does that letter make? Make it sound, sound it out, yeah, you heard. Put the sounds together, now we're reading words. Yeah, what sound does that letter make?
Put your head up, baby. Thank you. No, you go look at the TV. I mean, look at the tablet. No, don't. Yeah.
Hey, let's learn the sounds of the letter. This is the phonic song. God is reading all day long. This is the phonic song. Phonic song. What sound does that letter make? What sound does that letter make?
You've been doing lightning.
You've been doing lightning. No, lightning.
Oh my
Oh.
gosh.
What sound does that letter make?
No. No video.
Sound does that letter make? What sound does that letter make? Break it down, sound it out, yeah, you heard. Put the sounds together, now we're reading words. Yeah, what sound does that letter make?
Hey, let's learn the sounds of the letter. This is the Ow! God is reading.
I'm sorry. I'm almost done, okay? You sis, let me do your hair. I'll do your ice cream.
What sound does that letter make? What sound does that letter make? Break it down, sound it out, yeah, you heard. Put the sounds together, now we're reading words. What sound does that letter make? What sound does that letter make? Break it down, sound it out, yeah, you heard. Put the sounds together, now we're reading words. What sound does that letter make? Does that letter make sound? Does that letter make? Does that letter make sound? Does that letter make? Does that letter make sound? Does that letter make?
Look what I have in my pocket.
Yeah, you heard. Put the sounds together, now we're reading words. Yeah. What sound does that letter make? What sound does that letter make? Break it down, sound it out, yeah, you heard. Put the sounds together, now we're reading words. Yeah. What sound does that letter make?
What sound does that letter make? What sound does that letter make? Break it down, sound it out, yeah, you heard. Put the sounds together, now we're reading words. Yeah, what sound does that letter make? What sound does that letter make? Break it down, sound it out, yeah, you heard.
Look at the camera.
The sounds together, now we're reading words. Yeah, what sound does that letter make?
Y'all can say bye.
Bye.
Mwah.
Goodbye.
You wanna be outside, baby. You ain't been a little hot girl in a while. He don't even make you smile, baby. Your friends telling you to cut them loose right now. Then your heart hurts for a while. Now look at you back in style. Cause you deserve it, girl.